Havana, ooh, na, na. Half of my heart is in Havana. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a good minute. I haven't done a video in a little bit. This video was supposed to be a look with the new Milani Most Love Matte palette. They just came out. They have, I think, 3 of them, and I'm not sure the names of them. They're $19 at the drugstore. I was so stoked because they look so pretty, and if you're like me, you love Milani. Everything about Milani is great. Their packaging is chic, their lipsticks, their liquid lipsticks, setting sprays, powders, they're really nice and beautiful, and they just need their own store already. So, however, I did not have a Milani eyeshadow palette in my collection, so I saw these come out and they looked really pretty, so I thought I would try. And it ended up turning into a review video because I was really disappointed with this. I struggled with this palette and I did the same colors that I normally do with my other eyeshadow palettes, and it wasn't a good thing. But if you guys want to see how I did this look and how I struggled, then go ahead and keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe below. I'm going to try to start posting more videos, and I hope to see you guys back. Bye. Okay. So I haven't even touched this palette, so I guess it'll be kind of like a first impression type stuff. So this is it. I'm not going to put it completely in front of the camera because you'll see my ring light and it's a mirror, so yeah. So this is how the colors look. They're really pretty. A lot of these I would use, maybe not the middle ones so much. So I don't have anything planned. I'm just going to kind of go with it. So bear with me. I'm going to start with this one, just as my transition shade. And I will let you know how the fallout is. Another thing is I never do my foundation first ever because I am so messy with eyeshadow. I always do my foundation last. So this should be interesting. So I don't know. How is this going to come out? Took me back to East Atlanta, oh, but my heart is in Havana. And don't worry, we're gonna blend it all together whenever it's done. I'm just gonna add layers. I'm gonna take turns doing each eye, and I'm gonna concentrate it on the crease. It's pretty pigmented. I mean, I didn't dip it too much time in the palette, and I'm seeing not much fallout, which is a good thing. Like, not much at all. I didn't put any concealer here just in case there was like major fallout, which is what I was kind of expecting. I'm actually really surprised on how much, or how there isn't any fallout. And I'm actually gonna rub this all over my lid and not just the crease because I kind of changed my mind. Like I said, I didn't know what I was going to do, but I'm kind of feeling something as I go. Okay, next we're going to go in with the color on the bottom right, and that one is called Umber the Sun. Right? I don't have my glasses. Umber the Sun. Yes, Umber the Sun. And I'll try to show you guys again, but this mirror, again, I told you, kills it. So we're going to go in with that one. And we will see how it looks. We started with that one, I think. Oh no, this one right here. We started with that one. And now we are going to go into that one. And then we'll blend it all together. It's weird because there's a lot of fallout on the palette, like when I dip the brush. But I'm not seeing any on my face that I have to like wipe away like crazy. So let's see. Crazy with it because I don't know how this is going to blend out. You are the reason. Okay, and now I'm going to go back and blend this out with a different blending brush, a fluffy blending brush. This one's a NYX brush. And I'm going to use the same first color that we did, which was Toast of the Town. So I'm going to go back with that one and gently take it. And then I'm going to see how these blend out. I'm super scared because I don't know if they'll blend out. To blend out my eyeshadows. Colors are not blending like I wanted them to. So I'm a little bummed about that. Like you can see, they're just not blending. And I'm using a really good blending brush. And it just looks so messy. It's kind of like, I'm just not feeling it. But I'm determined to fix this, so I'm going to add some dark color right here. I keep dancing on my own. I climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you. I'm gonna go back with Toast of the Town, or what is it? Yeah, Toast of the Town. And I'm gonna try to see if I can fix this. And you know what, guys? I'm so used to using Morphe eyeshadows. So maybe I, used too much product and that's why it was hard to blend. I'm not sure. And honestly, it was like 19 something. So I kind of expected it to be like easy to blend. I mean, the colors were beautiful. The packaging's super, super pretty. I just had a really hard time blending them. But I am not a professional. I just know with what I work with normally, and I use majority is Morphe. So I don't know. I'm gonna do the other eye. So I've literally have been blending for forever. I'm not even kidding. Like I've been blending for so long and it feels like a little bit chalky. Like it should not take me this long to blend. And I mean, I really wanted to like this. Like, let me show you guys. I've done these exact colors with my Morphe palette. And I would have been way done already. So I'm using this blending brush. And look, it just feels like it's not getting anywhere. It just feels like it's like stuck. That's the best I'm going to get, guys, and I'm going to finish this look. And I guess this will just be a first impressions video because I'm not getting anywhere. I'm so sad. I love Milani. Okay, and real quick, I'm going to smoke out my underline with these colors. So I'm probably going to use the bottom middle color. It's like a brown burgundy, and that's going to be Don't Raisin Your Voice. The names are pretty cute. So I'm going to smoke it out. I'm going to try to attach myself as close as I can. Why can't you see me? You know. Or under eyelash blending brush that I use when I smoke out my eye. And I'm going to get this light color. And I'm going to blend it. I climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Hey guys, so that's it for my review on the Milani Most Love palettes. Again, you might have this palette already and you might actually love it and have no problem with it. For me, I was really sad because this video was supposed to be a look on this palette and it was so hard to blend, so it turned into a review, which I don't have on my channel yet, so I guess that's kind of good. Again, Milani is an amazing, amazing brand, and I wish they would open a store already because I am so in love with their lipsticks. I love everything they have. I have not really tried any of their eyeshadow. I love all drugstore products. I still believe that you can find a dupe for pretty much anything in the high-end makeup section. I know that since I've been using drugstore, I have had a hard time finding drugstore eyeshadows that blend really good. I guess Morphe is kind of drugstore because of the prices. However, it's not sold at the drugstore, so I guess it's really not. But I don't know. I was really disappointed. Like I said, Milani is a great, great brand, and I am not here to knock them. This is just my review on how I felt about the palette. The palette was $19, so I expected it to be a little better, I guess. And they were just so hard to blend. I spent literally, I felt like 30 minutes trying to blend one eye, and it looks so patchy. I'm so happy that you're not standing right next to me because you would totally be able to see how patchy it is. I mean, I'm not gonna even hide it. Look. I don't know, but maybe you guys can try it and post a look or send me your look, and I want to see, you know, maybe I was wrong. I am going to try it again. I'm going to try it again because I will always give something a second try. But, yeah.
You kiss her, oh, I'm right over here. Why can't you